In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google and great Notion support services to achieve your desired outcome efficiently and effectively. We will be focusing on using the Notion platform, which is a powerful tool for organizing and managing your tasks, notes, and projects. To kick things off, open up any web browser you have on your device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search bar and type in Notion. Hit the Enter key to initiate the search. Here, you're looking for the official Notion website, which should be one of the top results, if not the first one you see. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll find yourself on the home page of Notion. Look for the Login button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page, and click on it. If you already have a Notion account, the login process should be straightforward. Just enter your credentials and access your workspace. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But today, we'll focus on those who already do. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Notion dashboard. This is your digital workspace where you can create and manage your notes, tasks, and projects. To enhance your notes with a bit of elegance or emphasis, you might want to add or format text as a quote. To do this, move to the command area, or the body of the page where you have editing access. Next, type the /command /quote. Notion will provide you with a drop-down menu of options. Select the quote option by clicking on it. You'll notice that a small vertical line appears next to the text area. This line indicates where your quote will be inserted. It's a neat visual cue from Notion to help you manage your content layout seamlessly. Once you see that small vertical line, you may want to adjust its length to match your content or style preferences. Simply press the Enter key on your keyboard, and the line will extend, framing your quote nicely. This process intuitively guides you to create a well-structured quote panel within your document. Finally, you'll see a proper vertical line establishing a clear distinction for your quote. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of your notes, but also organizes information, making it easier for anyone reading or collaborating with you to follow along. And just like that, you're done. That wraps up our guide today on using Google and great Notion support services to navigate through Notion effectively. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and helpful for your Notion journey. Thank you for joining, and remember to reach out if you have any more questions or need further guidance.